Hello everybody, I just wanted to show you what I just finished, and because I thought I'd just put it together real quick, not video it, and it was just so pretty I wanted to share it. And I put the picture that was another one of my videos there just so you can see how good it looks together. Oh my gosh. And that little old metal thing, it was so cheap at the thrift store. It was like 99 cents, $1.99, I don't remember. And I'll show you. Look at that, it's acrylic crystals. And I ordered them online. And I'm gonna look up how much I paid, and they come in a pack of 30. And I'll include a link, or I'll try to. And I got the roll of the acrylic garland with the thread in it. I never would order it with thread in it because, you know, I just thought I wouldn't like the way it looked. And then the lady that owns Magnolia Treasures gave me some pieces she had, and I thought, God, those are sparkly. Yeah, I still got all my junk on the sofa. And so I ordered some, and these, they came with it. It was missing one on one of these hangers, and so I just took the other three off, and I'll hang on to them, and I put these on there. And right here I just put lace, the glass thing, you know, it might need wash, so I didn't put anything on it. And I had some little flower ribbon like that. And so I just snipped them off and put them on every other little lace pointy thing. But I just glued that up there with tacky glue. I let it sit a while before I stuck it to the metal. Hopefully it'll stay. And these, I was gonna drape them to this arm, but then, you know, after I attached them up here, I just liked the way they looked hanging straight down. So I left them. And then I made one big loop, and I'll show you. I glued two of the pieces together. You probably can't tell. I kind of overlapped the edges of them. I didn't put them right on top of each other. And then I glued each little spot, you know, where I got it draped over it. But that is just so cute. And it'd be cute in a shabby chic house or in a little girl's room or anything like that. But I'm gonna have to put a note not to use a real candle with it. Because we got the ribbon stuff hanging down, and somebody might just, you know, might not think about it. So I'm gonna definitely put a note on it. And there it is with the overhead light cut off. Pretty pretty. And I just put a electric candle in it. But anyway, I hope y'all like it, and be sure and hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, I hope you will. Bye y'all.